Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving two special case inequalities. These are problems where the variable disappears completely during solving. And we end up with one of two very different results. Either all real numbers are solutions, or there is no solution at all. Let's look at problem 1. Solve 2 times, open parenthesis, 3x minus 1, close parenthesis, is less than or equal to 6x plus 4. Step 1 for problem 1. Distribute. 2 times 3x gives us 6x. 2 times negative 1 gives us negative 2. So the left side becomes 6x minus 2. The right side stays 6x plus 4. We now have 6x minus 2 is less than or equal to 6x plus 4. Step 2. Subtract 6x from both sides. 6x minus 6x on the left cancels out. 6x minus 6x on the right cancels out. We are left with negative 2 is less than or equal to 4. The variable x has completely disappeared. Now we ask, is negative 2 less than or equal to 4? Yes. That is always true, no matter what x is. Because the statement is always true. Every single real number is a solution. The answer in interval notation is negative infinity to positive infinity. Now let's look at problem 2. Solve 3 times, open parenthesis, 2x plus 1, close parenthesis, is greater than or equal to 6x plus 7. Step 1. Distribute. 3 times 2x gives us 6x. 3 times 1 gives us 3. So the left side becomes 6x plus 3. The right side stays 6x plus 7. We now have 6x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 6x plus 7. Step 2. Subtract 6x from both sides. 6x minus 6x cancels on both sides. We are left with 3 is greater than or equal to 7. The variable x has disappeared again. Now we ask, is 3 greater than or equal to 7? No. That is never true, no matter what x is. Because the statement is always false. There is no value of x that works. The answer is the empty set, no solution. Let's compare the two problems side by side. Problem 1 gave us negative 2 is less than or equal to 4, always true. So the answer is all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. Problem 2 gave us 3 is greater than or equal to 7, always false. So the answer is no solution, the empty set. Here is the golden rule to remember. If the variable disappears and the statement is true, the answer is all real numbers. If the variable disappears and the statement is false, the answer is no solution. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.